It requires a specific way how you're supposed to move. How much time I'm telling you say? The richest set of fucking man them you got be right now. You got Moby and then call after you not chat to them. Or you have to know personally say them have money. Man who rich have money and one simple little pants then wear and one little dirty slippers go down the road. Them not show certain things they don't do. Bad man real. Tell people this, man. You see me? Me dey on TikTok and I one thing me get to discover. Me say this ambition scary, dog. It's scary. Ambition scary. So when you have no ambition, your life smooth and nice. You're not a target to nobody. You see one thing I learn about life, sometimes you have to have money and want to do style and can't do style and just wait till you're 40, you do certain style, dog. Just wait till you're 40. Bro, if you're in your 20s and you believe say you go build a house and buy car and certain things, it really make no sense because then go bad mind your feet because you're young and I do it. That's why I turn to people and I say this every day. You better you buy one little simple Voxy bus. No run go buy no Benz or no Beamer. No do it. No do it. No do it. Me live a boga when me live a boga in my big apartment, yo. The amount of people I did want come at me yard, me not allow people to come at me yard. Ready yard people. People yard red dog, red bad mind real. I see me tell you something. Yes, when the devil can't get for pushing a one batty hole, he try for pushing a one next batty hole, so you have to be careful because in coming at every terms and every pattern in coming at tell you that. Yes, what I realize the devil try do with me from when tell you what I realize the devil try do with me. The devil try come off of me with money. Here, believe you me, I show me I want girl like this. And everything what happened to me, I run come on social media contact nowadays say this happened, that happened. You feel me? Let me tell you, you see money, bro, that's why I say that you know money ain't supposed to in place, you know. From when I realize say the devil try attack me through money for me and people have things in money. I tell you about me. Me drink and me smoke, you hear me drink and me smoke. Me is a girl like this, anywhere me go, me say, give me a cigarette, give me a special. You know, sometimes when me a pay a cigarette bill and rum special bill, how much money me they pay, yo? Me all pay 8 grand for rum bill. Me is the type of girl like this, and somebody say they want a cigarette, me say, yo, make them get it. You feel me? Me say, me texting from somebody, and me pay a person them their money. And by the time couple weeks after me here say, yo, me no pay money, me have to remind the person say, yo, remember say me pay you. Remember say me pay you. Boom again, me go back, me go take a special, me go take a cigarette. Go back, cash up, the person turn to me and say, remember say you owe me a money, me say, yes, collect. By the time me go back at place, the person go say me owe them for that. Me I say, no, remember say me take out the 5 bills and that me pay for. And me they pay that, and me and the person catch up. You know me and the person catch up, so me I turn to the person, me I say like, why y'all go say me I take your things them and me not pay? And me feel offended because guess what, me have good name everywhere me go. Me walk and me trust and me take things and me pay feet. Me pay feet and me I say, yo, this happen, me not gonna make it happen my 3rd time. And me turn to the person, me and say, yo, you see, since I that go on and you go tell me say me not pay you, or you go say me not pay you when how much thousands I go through me and how much thousands they go through me and look how much people me take things from. Why go hard for me pay such a small bill? Look how much money me pay. And me and next me is like the person I say go on, so me I say, yo, you can't bully me for me not talk about me right. Me take your things and me pay you. So that not nice to your talk say because guess what go up now? People are going if you say, yo, the girl here always do and the girl fingernail always do and she a walk and contact people things and me shape me and me I say, yo, you see I never know if you push people in a battle hole. I'm bro, me send the money for go pay a person, you hear? Cause me don't say, yo, just make you go on. My bag full up how much thousands. And me send the money, bro. And you know a person say, him no want your money. Him no want your money. So me I say, you been a complaint, say me take your things them. And me send the money for pay you for your things them. And you go talk about, oh, you know want, you know so business go. I know so business go. Definitely I know so business go, because guess what? If you see a man owe you and the man come and pay you their money, take you, so me say okay then, no problem. I realize what I want. Yeah. Me say alright then, me realize what I want. You know, me say alright then, make you stay. I don't have to talk to you back. I don't have to talk to you back. Me not have to talk to you again. Me not have to talk to you again. I'm tell myself say me not go back there. Me not go back there. Me not go there. Me see person them. Me see person. Me don't even talk to them. I'm telling every day. I'm a friend girl picnic morning. I'm a friend people. Next people go talk about how me stay. So me stay stop crediting stuff and do a big shopping for what you want. And no matter of fact about that, you know, I'm telling him he's a drinker, he's a smoker. Sometimes I go up on the road and I have no money for me as a G. So I expect when I come to your place, come and spend money, I can turn to you and say, give me a special, give me a cigarette. You feel me? Give me a special, give me a cigarette. So I never fooled my choice. The funniest thing, a cigarette and rum. Cigarette and rum, me take a year and no food, believe. Cigarette and rum. So me say, alright then, cigarette and rum, this and that. Guess what me I say? Me not take no walk with my money. Me not left my money in my yard again, because guess what? And I like say, me not have money in my yard. You get what me I say? And then the funniest thing about everything, when me I come here, bro, I just a lot. Me I tell you, me not even need to go down in a territory. I go down in the details, but me I tell her say roll out here say no nice. Then think they have some, yeah. You know I roll no nice. You see this up here, so you have to up there. I'ma tell myself this every day. I don't care what nobody want to say. Yes, when I reach in your 40s, you're not a threat. I don't care what nobody want to say. Yes, when you're in your 40s and you start build big house and you have certain things, people feel like say, yeah, you fairly deserve this. Yes, when you're in your 20s and you say you want to make certain move, people go feel like say you're not deserving and your life becomes a more threat. And I tell people this every day. I tell them every day, I say, I want it more for good on, you know. I want it more TikTokers I go good on, you know. How much time I tell you that I want it more TikTokers I go good on. This is just the beginning. This is just the beginning. I mark my word. I'm telling you, say, my mother always say, if one of my word come to pass, heaven and earth shall declare more than one of them I go good on. Yeah, here are just the beginning. This believe. You see, bad mind is real. Bad mind real. You know, me sit down and I listen to people. And me hear pretty than the pan in live other day and people they laugh. Me tell her with me. You see me? You see when people talk, I don't laugh, I pay attention to what them have to say. After the whole Ramesh incident to happen other day, the whole Ramesh situation and Spice come out and talk. The spirit, you see me, his spirit lead me on TikTok, you know. Man, I go on TikTok, as me go on TikTok, I pretty than me see. Me not really take in pretty than, so the spirit tell me the morning, say, Keke, listen. You see, now this word, me telling you, say, you see, physical warfare are the least I think. You know, physical warfare are the least thing. You see, this whole life how we live, it is spiritual things that we can't see. Unknown spirits, unknown faces, unknown vices. And you have to get close to God and go with God where you can hear these things and see certain things and make him can direct you in a one specific part. You see, if you go run down the kinds and run down the fame and everything, you're going to end up going on one loud road where you're not supposed to go in. The road where you're supposed to enter is a silent road. And the other day, I made up on the live, you know, and the Lord tell me, say, yo, listen it. And when me did I listen it, I listen to Pretty Dan and me hear what Pretty Dan say. Pretty Dan saying that like none of TikTokers them. He said no matter how you see me play and people they laugh. Me no know if you hear this Pretty Dan saying no like none of TikTokers them. No matter how you see she come and play with them, you know like none of them. Reason why you know like none of them because in fuck them the TikTokers them fuck up the YouTuber them world. So guess what happened now? Remember back in the days before TikTok, it was YouTube. The YouTuber them could have can go up on YouTube, post them video, get how much thousands of views, get them fat money. Since the whole TikTokers them come in now, it will have that stop. TikTokers are stop people food. People don't want to buy TV again. People now run go watch YouTube unless are certain big things. TikTokers stop a lot of people food. You not understand what I say, bro. One time people used to run go watch YouTube. Nobody does that again. A screen recording around the place. So TikTok, we as TikTokers are come on TikTok is stop the YouTube of them food. YouTube of them want the money and we are laugh with them. The whole like crowd they over here so the views them they over here so you feel like say a man or a girl what the dep on YouTube or come on this and see we sit down and make you go like we. You feel that? Them a go try if you take out the whole of uno one by one. And I turn to them every day and say them bad mind TikTokers. And then when me come and I tell you say TikTokers them big, uno feel like see a lie. And millions bombarras class spend over here so. You feel like say no chum change them and make over here so millions. TikTok is a app where you not have to work in a way if you go up on the top. It is easy. 1, 2, 3. You come, you have your potential. You sit down, people give you. You don't need subject, you don't need degree. You don't need to go organize nothing, you don't need to go clock in. You work when you can't work and people sit and people love you because of your personality, the joy what them bring to you. No matter how they talk down on TikTok, you can't stop gifters from sending them gifts because gifters go naturally love you. Them are going to naturally love you. Them are going to naturally love you. So me tell you this now. TikTokers out here so I make more money than lawyer, police, soldier, nurse, all heap of them. You think a little bit of people sit down over here so with the ready eyes and they see TikTokers a play. When them see lion and score, they go up. You feel them bad mind. Them bad man. Me don't want to go. And anybody say they can't wait for TikTok go. A bad man and a bad man, and a perfect example me I try to tell you say a bad mind. You see with we as black people now, me tell you, with black people now, the reason why me tell you this every day now, me not give a fuck what nobody want to say no. Me not racist, but you see black people, you know a reason why black people can advance and go in a one different level in our life, and reason why white people are live. The Syrian them and the Chinese people them I live because guess what? You see black people, you see anywhere money come in on a bad mind on each other and try to prove a point. A bad mind that. A bad mind black people too bad mind on a bill on each other and tear them down. Why would you want the app to go and the app what help whole heap of we if you make $1? I wanna just not know how to fucking live. You don't know how to live, you don't prove a point on each other too much. You don't know how to wear a Gucci shoes and humble yourself. As soon as you start wear one little Gucci shoes, you don't feel like you're above a person. No for you don't like TikTokers because guess what? If TikTokers them can come over here so come make a little piece of food where you as big old bumbaras clad person and work that and get that in a one day because of them potential. So me no want to lock down. A whole heap of people at TikTok heal them because of them favorite TikTokers them. We will come out here so can entertain and smile we do all kind of things. Why not try to tell me say the app not supposed to know how to move? Uno a problem, uno.